fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.
Hi guys, hi people, how everyone? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. The thing just do the name it first. This video is all about some women out there that say that when a married woman is working, it means that the man is not taking good care of his wife. Who told you that? Just the thing, eh? Guy, they do me for body. Who told you that? Huh? See, let me tell you. If don't think that because I am married is the one that is going to mean you win lotto. Let me tell you, if you are not that lazy person, a lazy woman before you get into marriage, if you are not lazy, you will believe and work. You are not lazy. Trust me. When you start giving birth, you can only bear it when you start giving birth, staying at home, taking good care of your children. Let me tell you, immediately your children start school, it's like they set fire inside you. You can no longer stay at home again. So stop. You people should stop using the word that when a husband and wife is working, it means that the man is not taking good care of the woman. The man is, whether the woman is covering up for the man or something. Who told you that? That no money is too big for account. That's one thing I will let you guys. No money is too big for account. No money is too big for account. Me, I like chopping money. So that is why when I see play that money, so far I'm not committing crime. I like putting my hand in small things that I know you'll be giving me. Even one euro, no problem. I don't care. Calculate one euro times 30 days. That is 30 euro. It's money. If you see somebody dash you 30 euro in us, are you going to reject it? You will not. So please, you people should stop trying and discouraging the young ones that is just trying to build up their marriage. People should stop it. Encourage them. When they are breastfeeding or their children is still staying with them at home, they didn't start school year, they can stay home and take good care of themselves. Immediately the children start school, they also find life for themselves. Must you ask your man every day, give me? Oh, man. See, you see all those people that always say that when a woman is working, husband is working, it means that they are lacking something. You are wrong. Because they are lacking something, only the man is working, the woman is lacking something. That's why the woman went to go and choke her inside work. Who told you that? Eh? There is some women like make money for the whole house. The money is falling from up, coming down. He like doing something. There is difference between a lazy woman and a woman that is a hard-working person. Like me, I can't stay morning till night lying down on bed doing nothing. I can't stay morning till night just lie down doing nothing. I can't. Even if I didn't go work, I will be doing one or two things to the repair things. That is the kind of person that I am. It doesn't mean that because that only husband is working, the woman now start working, me they are lacking, make the woman start working. Who told you that? Eh? For example, now your husband is earning like 1,000 euro or even 2,000. You two came after paying bill, the money remain 1,000 euro. Then you two came and add your own 1,000 euro on it. The money will cry that you people to get me this money. I no go green enter us. I no go green enter this house. The money too big. The money they cry. Say it too big for us. There is no there is one thing many of you need to know about marriage. Sometimes also you see suffering and smiling. It key. That is what keep many women. It key a lot. For you not to be suffering and smiling, accept it. And by going to go and look for a job. You cannot just be holding, many of you is holding a passport, holding document. You can't do nothing with it. What is the reason of holding it? For me, there is no reason of holding it. There is no reason of holding it. Or you want to put it in your handbag, cover your day break. You tell her before you sleep, I want you to provide me 500 euro before day break. Make it provide for you. It will not, the thing will not give you the money. So only what you can achieve with that your document, go and work with it. Work with it if you have the opportunity. It's not force. If you know you are okay, then so be it. Don't use man spoil those that they are working. It doesn't mean that the woman is slaving for the man. No, you people should stop using that word. A hard working woman, you see, a time of giving birth, it can always bear it. It's giving birth. I'm not showing my children. Let these children start school first before I will start. Immediately the children start, you see the last born, maybe they say 2 months time, you will start looking for work. It will start looking for work, especially those who don't want to go to school. It will start looking for work. You know why? It's like, I don't know how to say it. It's like even staying home 24 hours, like the person is just, they set fire inside the person's body. Do you know? Because the woman is not lazy right from time before getting into marriage. So some of you that are trying to discourage some women, because many of you have set fire inside many women life, that they will say only husband must work. Any man, see, man, men are there. If you see say your wife dey lazy, make you do and stitch. Do and stitching for 1 month. If you no go return to your normal sense. Because which pikin they take off for us? You are not taking care of any child at home again. They are all going to school. What are you doing at home? Just dey house. Some don't even, you see all those women that most of them, they are not working. Most of them, they are most dirtiest person in this earth. Some of the married ones that say, I'm still at home, I'm still at home, mama. I'm still at home, mama. They are most dirty, yeah, most of them. They're dirty than over any other thing. I swear. They're dirty than any other thing. When you enter some people, some married women, as this is the group that they are not doing anything. No, I didn't say all. Don't get me wrong. Some. They do nothing. They are so dirty that you yourself, you say, you that you are working, you come back from work, come and clean your house, make your house up. You see the one that they are working, they are not working. They will just sit on bed and later I will do it. Before you go know, they don't dark. You go say, oh, tomorrow I will do it. Tomorrow again we will repeat the same thing. So please, you people should stop using that word as in when a woman is working, it means that the woman is lacking. That is the reason why I make the woman work. Stop using the word. There is no money too much. Money is not too much for bank. Or have you seen when you back money in bank? Bank will tell you, stop banking money with us. Your money is too much in bank. So far as they know where your source of income is coming from, they will not tell you stop banking money. They will even make you a best customer, like Jamie and I'm a good kundi. Why you people, many of you, just staying at home? You want to discourage other people to not go and find life for themselves. That is not nice. Even if you are not doing work at the moment, you can also find something be doing that will be giving you money. Yes, you can find something doing that will be giving you money. Like the person that you are seeing here, Jamila. You see this man, it's here reach back when it comes to money issues. So I don't take people on. I believe on my handwork. I use a good almost 4 years still run business in this my house. Those who know me will testify to that. That's it. Now I stop. Go and find something doing women so that you can look good. There is no like the husband. First of all, let me ask me, if you see most of them that they are saying this thing, their husband didn't even, most of their husband didn't even go to school. They do restaurants work. How much do they pay when you say your husband get even those that even let work after paying bill and everything, waiting good remain. You are managing with man, managing immediately in children start school. Try and do something small, support the home. Not your children starting school, just sit down inside house, do nothing, and you come and be saying you are holding something. No, it doesn't make sense. Women, stand up. That is, if you are doing something, if your man is not respecting you before, he will start to respect you. That is one secret that you women need to know. If you have something, Even if you are pushing, you want to do, I want to do, maybe you didn't get it yet. I want to do it. It will make the man, my wife have courage to do something. Not just stay until morning to night, you just eat, that is all. Please, you people should stop discouraging the younger one that they are coming. Stop it. There is no laziness. There is no food for laziness. There is no food for lazy person. When you are lazy, you are lazy. Don't use that word that I'm taking care of a child. That is why you are not doing anything. That your child, is it a 2 years baby? 6 years is start school. In Deutschland, any part of Euro country, 6 years the child is already start school. If the child didn't go to nursing school, 6 years start. So who is going to take off? They take off the rooms. Oh, sometimes I don't even understand most of our African women. This country that we are living, do you know that many Gemma, like the kindergarten my children go, one woman have 2 children, is a doctor. Is a man who close for work, who go and pick his children for school. The woman is working. He didn't say because that is the mother is stopping in doctoring work. No, in Corona he's still working. I have never seen that woman came and pick children from kindergarten. It's only day before yesterday I saw the woman came and pick children for kindergarten. I asked her, are you the mother of the children? Say yes. I have not been seeing you with the children. Say yeah, because I'm working. My work is not only this city I'm working. They transfer me everywhere. That is good. We women, there is a lot we can offer. It's not only you marry, you just born, that is only what you can offer to your marriage. No, there is a lot we can offer. If you don't want to work, go back to school. Choose one inside. You don't want to work, you go back to school. Or you don't want to go to school, go and work. So far as you don't have any child is under 5 years, they are their age is more than 5 years, they are 6. Then who are you taking care of at home? Children go to school. What are you taking for? Are you taking care of the rooms or the kitchen or your toilet? Work. Don't be lazy. Giving birth doesn't make you as in a lazy mother. When you are doing something, when your children need something, you can be able to give. Without no go and ask, my husband, my children need something. No. It's not only giving birth we women can give to the society. There is a lot, especially the married woman. There is a lot we can give to the society for those who do. Those of you who think that now my whole sweet pass, now whole come bitter pass. Now my man take off me pass. Now you can't lack pass. Now you can't lack pass. Those that man is really taking good off. You don't hear pim from their mouth. Because either you like me, I can't talk. You want me they can't collect my wool for me. You don't hear pim for. You see the one where they make lousy noise, reach their cheek. They are the one who make noise. And my husband I do everything. My husband do. They make empty drum noise. Neither they make. They don't even. So this video, I just want to tell you people, stop discouraging the married woman, whether being a mother or not being. It doesn't make you to not go and work. No, it doesn't make you to not go and work. If your children is above 5 years, you can work here, especially here that I'm living. You can work here. There is no any excuse for it. If you are working, let me tell you, those that are working, they didn't get the noise of the children like the way we are not doing anything. They didn't get the noise of the children like inside this quarantine. You see, the one that they are not working. We are the one who receive the heat of the children in this quarantine. Because the one that are working, their children will go to the school early morning and come back 4 o'clock. Before they come back, the children never tire. So let me leave you guys with this message until I come your way next time. The thing just made me the verse. Stay blessed. Bye bye. Don't get on unnecessary anger because of this. My video is how it's doing me. That is how I release it. That is the kind of person that I am. I hate when somebody is discouraging people. I hate it. Encourage people. When you are motivating, motivate well and encourage people. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.